it's Henk here from We Are Adventure, and today is all about creating your own adventure kit. Let's have a look. Okay, first things first, you need to find a durable and waterproof box. This one I got from the local adventure store, and I emptied it out of whatever was inside, and I created my own adventure kit. Let's have a look. Cool, so this is a little glow-in-the-dark stick stuck to a little carabiner. You can take it on and off, multiple use for when it's getting dark. If the sun catches this thing, it will glow in the dark for about 12 hours. Right, the good old trusty Leatherman, good old multi-tool. You've got your knife selection there, you've got your pliers, everything you need to survive in the wild. Then the good old LED flashlight. Remember to take some extra batteries. Also just a basic lighter. However, I do suggest you get the blowtorch one that you can use in the wind. Another bigger carabiner with some rope just to tie anything that might get loose, or if you got like wet shoes or something, you can put that on your backpack. I've got a Ziploc that's wrapped in a hairband. It's good for waterproof usage if it starts to rain and you want to protect your cell phone or any other technical gadgets like a power bank. Very basic medikit. I've got plasters and cramp pills. You know, for micro adventures, this is all you need to get down from the mountain. I've got this miniature cable ties. I would add at least 10 of them. You can link them together, very useful. Next up, 2 little soaker tablets. So you just put a little drop on these and they expand into a nice wet wipe. And lastly, the good old trusty emergency survival blanket. So when it's cold and you're lost and you need to overnight in the mountain, wrap this around you. Your body will be warm and hopefully you get safe down the mountain.